Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we got a new wig and it is from ISEE Hair. But first of all, let's get into this super cute packaging. And we all know I love it when my wigs touch down in super cute packaging, and this is the bomb. Super cute. I love it. The box is just everything. And then look, it has the little glittery, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is definitely glittery and sparkly and so pretty with the gold lettering on the box. It is just everything. It is everything a wig purchase should be. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it because this is a beauty. This will be kind of like something you've seen on my channel but longer, but we have it in 26 inches, and I've always wondered what this would look like in longer lengths. And girl, we have one. We have the finger coil curly 26 inch from ISEE Hair. OMGG. Now inside the box we do get all of our information and care package, care instructions type stuff, and we have our 2-piece wig cap. Okay, so we're gonna set that to the side because we're gonna go ahead and get into the main attraction, girl. She is gorgeous. Now this is a glueless unit. You guys know I fancy glueless units. I don't like to do the most when I'm wearing my wigs. I like to be able to take it off immediately when I'm ready to take it off, and glueless units just work better for my lifestyle. But let's get into this hair. OMGG, it is so beautiful. It's so soft. Look at those coils. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh. Now the cap construction, let's get into that. I know that's what you're wanting to see. Now this one has a red band inside. Now this is a first for me. I don't think I've ever seen a colored band. So it's going to be important that we make sure that we have our band tucked, okay, because it is bright red, and you know, we don't want any room for mishaps. But that is nice. It's pretty cool. Now this wig does have this little drawstring here at bottom that I have become quite fond of. It just adds for extra security, and I love that. Look at that. OMGG. So pretty standard cap construction, I would say. So we do have temple combs on either side, and we have one at the back along with our drawstring. Just remember, with the band, it is removable. So should you decide not to use that, you can take it out easily and set it aside, okay? Let's go ahead and put it on. I am so excited. I am so excited. We finally got us a finger coil in a longer length. Okay, she is gorgeous. And right out of the pack, the lace just, OMGG, it disappeared, girl. It melted. But we will go in with a little extra makeup, because you know I'm a powder girl, and powder the lace line just to make sure our lace is not lacing, okay? But look at this hair. OMGG, it is so gorgeous. This is absolutely beautiful, and I love the length. Now it does come with the middle part. Now if you wanted to change that up, you definitely could. We do have enough lace space so that you can change it up. Totally nice. And again, glueless. Look at that. Ah, glueless. No work. Just right out of the pack, ready to go. Now I'm going to go in with my makeup just to make it that much more, you know, inconspicuous. But we love it. We love it. OMGG. Sometimes I like to keep the little coils, but you can break those up to your liking. And if you like to wear it all big, of course, you just puff it to your heart's content because she can get really big. I'm not one to wear a Shaka Khan style. I don't really like my hair that big, but this is as big as I can stand to take it. But even with this, we're going to bring this in a bit. So I'm going to go and do my thing with the makeup around my perimeter, and I'll be back to give you the full look. But as you see right out of the box, she is ready to go. Let me show you. Alright, this is the hair from the back. She is absolutely gorgeous. OMGG. Loving it. Let me know what you think. So now that I'm back with her perfectly tamed to my liking, I am absolutely in love with this hair. It is so soft, so beautiful. Again, the 26 inches is the way to go. This is so pretty. OMGG. And we do have her in like a natural brown, natural black color, and I love it. Absolutely love it. Definitely check out that description box to get your hands on an ISEE hair unit, girl. She is definitely beautiful. Definitely one to have in the collection year round. She is gorgeous. Now I did tame my curls with a little of this softy gel. It's just a clear gel that I love to use on my curly units, and it just works. Now if you wanted to create baby hairs to create a more customized look around the hairline, you can definitely do that. But I do enjoy a good curly unit without those baby hairs from time to time. And this one is beautiful. Just right out of the pack, ready to go. Love it. Let me know what you think down below in that comments area. She is gorgeous, girl. Gorgeous. So definitely check them out. Alright, girl, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in the next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Don't forget to check out ISEE Hair. Girl, this wig is everything. She is so pretty.
Really